I am very grateful to give advice to my clients. Hello, my name is Harsh Modi and I want to give advice to my clients Greta, Ted and Marina. Actually, no business can be success without proper business structure. There are several types of business structure: sole trader, partnership and company. In the sole trader, so there is only one owner of the company and oh, all profit and loss bear by themselves. Now I talking about the partnership. In the partnership, two or more than two people are joined together and to do the business commonly. The goal in the business are in the same. Here I am talking about in the partnership. So in the partnership, all partners are equally responsible and liable for the business debt, and also profit and loss equally shared. Here in the startup of the partnership, so there are no any legal process step, or there is no legal step to follow except just only to do the agreement among the partners, between the partners. Here I am word about the agreement. So in the agreement, so there are two types of agreements in the partnership: verbal agreement and written agreement. In the verbal agreement, so it is agreement about under mutual standing. It is mutual understanding totally based. And written agreement is legally and as a proof as agreement. In written agreement, the all details about partners like profit ratio, capital ratio, all are written, and on the written agreement the partner must sign on the written agreement, so it is valid proof. And I would recommend it to my clients, please to do the written agreement if you took the partnership. The cost of partnership is not too much. While in the partnership, the partner want to do the on then partner want to do the business under his name, then they want to do the Australian register under Australian business number. Now I am talking about the company. So company, there are all people together and to do the work. Company's cost is too much because the liability is in the company is limited, but in the company, so you process and follow all kind of steps. Now I want to do the profit and loss about in the partnership. In the partnership, the profit and loss would be equally among the partners and distributed equally. But if sometime the partner decide under the agreement, they share the profit and loss according to their capital ratio. But in my suggestion, it would be better to profit and loss according to the equal distribution. Because what happened in some time, among the partners, they want to do share the profit according to their capital ratio, so it would be dispute among the partners. Now I want to what is the dissolution in the partnership? So meaning of dissolution in the partnership: when new partner join in the partnership, or old new partner join in the partnership, or some old partner resign from the partnership, then it is the dissolution of the partnership. After the dissolution of partnership, how to asset is to be distributed? So asset, first of all, paying debts and liability to the who is not partner in the partnership, then paying each partner retable is due and due from the firm to each partner advance. Then to each partner, paying each partner retable is due from the firm under the proportion of the capital. Then after remaining amount to be distributed among the partner as of their profit. Now I want to talking about the Ted, Greta and Marina, two sister and one brother. For their business, I would recommend it. Partnership is the best because you all are family member, so mutual understanding is good. And as in the partnership, the startup cost is low, and do not follow all kind of legal procedure and legal steps. So I would suggest you partnership is the best for you. Thank you.